Minasan, konnichiwa. Minasan wa o genki desu ka? Hi, watashi mo genki desu. Welcome to this video, and today we are going to learn the next part in Japanese basic grammar. Today we are going to get introduced to 3 new verbs: ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu. Ikimasu is to go, kimasu is to come, and kaerimasu is to return or to go back. Okay, so let's see. Ikimasu, to go. Kimasu, to come. Kaerimasu is to return or come back. The sentence pattern is: noun wa place e ikimasu. Watashi wa kaisha e ikimasu. A is a particle used for denoting a place here. Okay. Watashi wa kaisha e ikimasu. Tanaka-san wa gakkou e ikimasu. Tanaka-san is going to school. Noun can be any person, place e ikimasu, kimasu or kaerimasu. Watashi wa Nihon e kimashita. If you are speaking in past, then it's going to be kimashita. So you are going to conjugate these verbs according to the requirements of time. Okay. Then next is de. Now when you go to some place, you're going by train, you're going by bus, you're going by bicycle. The mode of transport, means or method of transport, commute, is marked with particle de. Densha de ikimasu. Bus de ikimasu. Takushi de imashita. Or watashi wa densha de kaisha e ikimasu. I go to office by train. Tanaka-san wa jitensha de gakkou e ikimasu. Tanaka-san goes to school by bicycle. Jitensha, bicycle. So now in this context, it is going to be the vehicle, and de, ikimasu, kimasu or kaerimasu. Okay, kaerimasu is to return. Watashi wa densha de uchi e kaerimasu. I will return to my home by train. Got it? Ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu. Use of particle e for the place and use of particle de for the mode of transport. When you're talking that I go walking, remember, this is special. I have marked it with star. Walking is aruite. Arukimasu is the verb. Aruite is the te form of arukimasu. Arukimasu is to walk. So I go walking is arukimasu is the verb. I go walking is aruite. Eki kara aruite kaerimashita. Eki kara aruite kaerimashita. I returned from station walking. I returned walking from station. Okay. Now, next is question. Okay. Nande ikimasu ka? Here we have seen the pattern where we are telling the mode of transport. But if you want to ask someone in a question format that how will you go? How do you go to office? How do you go to school? Okay. Anata wa nande kaisha e ikimasu ka? So by what? How do you go to office? That is nande. Remember, Nande is the word. Sometimes it comes in the context of why. Okay, but here the context is completely different. When you are speaking about ikimas, kimas or kaerimas, this nande is you are asking about how do you go, how did you come, like that. Okay, then next is going with whom. Okay, watashi wa kazoku to nihon e kimashita. I came to Japan with my family. With is to. So with any person or animal, you can use the particle to. Remember, noun to and verb is the pattern. Kazoku to nihon e kimashita. With the family. Came to Japan with the family. Tomodachi to eiga o mimashita. I watched movie with my friend. Tomodachi to with my friend. Okay. When you are talking about yourself alone, I did something alone is hitori de. Hitori is one person alone. Hitori de Tokyo e ikimasu. I am going to Tokyo alone. Remember, no one is with you. Alone is hitori de. Yes. Kazoku to nihon e kimashita. Tomodachi to eiga o mimashita. Particle to for with. Again, as we have seen earlier, question is dare to. With whom? Dare to nihon e kimashita ka? Kazoku to nihon e kimashita. Yes? Anata wa dare to nihon e kimashita ka? Kazoku to nihon e kimashita. Similarly, you can ask questions. Dare to ban gohan o tabemasu ka? Tomodachi to ban gohan o tabemasu. Dare to hiru gohan o tabemashita ka? Kaisha no hito to hiru gohan o tabemashita. Try framing more and more sentences. You can share your sentences in the comments below. So that I can review those sentences. Okay, and we will be learning more and more patterns. Then itsu. Itsu is an interrogative question word. When? Remember, itsu does not take the particle ni. Sometimes I have seen people ask itsu ni. It's wrong. Okay. Itsu Hiroshima e ikimasu ka? With itsu, no need of any particle. Raishu ikimasu. When are you going to Hiroshima? Next week. Itsu kuni e kaerimasu ka? When are you going to return to your country? Rainen kaerimasu. Rainen, next year. I'm going to return next year. So itsu is when. And the last pattern here is particle yo. Okay. You must have seen this particle yo or ne is mostly seen at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, if the sentence is ending with yo, that means the speaker wants to emphasize on the information which he or she is telling. Okay. Or it can be the judgment or your views. Okay. We are emphasizing this is like that. This is like this. So when you are emphasizing, when you are sharing your views or your judgments, you can use the particle yo. Kono densha wa hibiya e ikimasu ka? Person A is asking. Kono densha wa hibiya e ikimasu ka? B is saying, iie, ikimasen. Tsugi no futsu desu yo. No, this doesn't go. Next local train goes. Now here B is giving some information to A which A is not aware of. So this person is using yo. ये ऐसा है, this is like this, emphasizing on that. Okay. 無理なダイエットは体に良くないですよ. Now this is personal opinion, right? Doing strict diet, 無理なダイエット is strict diet, is not good for body. Is a personal opinion which someone is sharing. 無理なダイエットは体に良くないですよ. Yes, again this particle yo when you are telling the personal view or opinion. Now let's do this exercise to understand whatever we learned just now. Understand it better. See these questions here. なんで行きますか? 誰と行きますか? どこへ行きますか? いつ行きますか or 行きましたか? なんで by what? 誰と with whom? どこへ where? And いつ when? Yes? Now, let me write it here so that this is by what, with whom, where, and when. Now you have to group these words into different boxes here. First is kazoku. So kazoku can be the answer for dare to ikimasu ka, and it will be kazoku to ikimasu. So you are going to write here as kazoku. Okay. Then eki. Eki is the place. So it should be the answer for doko e ikimasu ka? Eki e ikimasu. Jitensha. Jitensha, it's a mode of transport. Nande ikimasu ka? Jitensha. Then kino. Kino is the answer for when. So you're going to write it here. Itsu ikimasu ka or ikimashita ka? Kino ikimashita. Yubin kyoku. Doko e ikimasu ka? Yubin kyoku. Then senshu should be the answer for itsu. Senshu. Then aruite. Aruite, walking. So it should be how, by what. Yes? Then sensei. With whom? Dare to ikimasu ka? Sensei. Chikatetsu is by what? So it should be chikatetsu. Then hikoki. Hikoki, again it's a mode of transport. Hikoki. Then mainichi should be the answer for itsu. Mainichi. Tomodachi, with whom? Tomodachi. Gakko is place, where? Supa, again place. So doko e ikimasu ka? Supa e ikimasu. Hitori de, it is with whom? So not with anyone but hitori de. Then konban, today evening, should be the answer for itsu. Konban. Yes, I hope these particles, these phrases and these interrogatives are clear. Nande, dare to, doko e, itsu. Now let's do one quick exercise for listening practice. Doko e ikimashita ka? Let me share the sound here. And so these are the names of different people. Thawapon, Edo, Rin, and Sensei. Okay? Now,
第5課1番どこへ行きましたか？例皆さん、おはようございます。
おはようございます。おはようございます。おはようございます。
昨日どこへ行きましたか？ターポンさん。
図書館へ行きました。大阪の図書館です。
そうですか。
Tawapon-san, 図書館へ行きました。So it should be Tawapon-san went to 図書館。
エドさんは？
美術館へ行きました。京都の美術館です。
美術館ですか。
京都の美術館です。美術館 E. Edo-san went to 美術館。
リンさんはどこへ行きましたか？
どこも行きませんでした。勉強しました。
そうですか。リンさんの家はどこですか？
神戸です。
どこも行きませんでした。勉強しました。B。
先生はどこへ行きましたか？
私は奈良の病院へ行きました。
病院？
友達の病院です。友達は医者です。
そうですか。
Yes, sensei went to 病院。友達の病院です。友達は医者です。So her friend is a doctor. She went to her clinic. Yes. So that's all for today. We learned 3 verbs. Ikimasu, kimasu, kaerimasu. Particle A used with these 3 verbs. Then particle they for mode of transport. Then question itsu, nande, dareto. Yes, particle to for with. And then we have seen, like we practiced for these questions and some listening practice. So that's all for today. See you in the next video with next grammar pattern. Thank you.